Dear Mom and Dad, I hope this letter finds you in good health and happiness. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude for everything you have done for me, and I am truly thankful to have such wonderful parents. Every day I realize how much you have sacrificed to give me the best in life. I promise to study hard, make you proud, and become someone who can repay your kindness in the future. Please continue to guide and support me with your wisdom and prayers. I love you but so much. Thank you for always being by my faith. Thank you.